Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 1 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 2022, convert 1D array into 2D array. Okay, so very easy problem. So in this problem you are given a 0 indexed 1 dimensional integer array original. Okay, so this is original array given to us, and two integers m and n. Okay, so m is nothing but here it is nothing but number of rows, and it is nothing but number of columns. Okay, you are tasked with creating a 2D array with m rows and n columns using all the elements from the original. Okay, so see here, this is my original array, right? This is 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. Okay, how many rows we need? We need 2 rows. Okay, so 0 and this is 1. How many columns we need? 2 columns we need. So this is 0th column, this is first column, right? So how I am filling the values here? First this 1 is going here, then this 2 is going here, then this 3 is going here, then this 4 is going here. Okay, like this we are creating, right? The elements from indices 0 to n minus 1 inclusive of original should form the first row of the constructed 2D array, and the remaining elements from indices n to 2 into n minus 1 inclusive should form the remaining second row of the constructed 2D array, and so on. Okay, so we have to run m into n 2D array constructed according to the above procedure, or an empty 2D array if it is impossible. Okay, so when it is going to be impossible? Okay, so see this example here. M is equal to 1, number of rows 1, and number of columns is equal to 1. Okay, so total how many elements is there? Just one element now. Okay, so this is what now, single element. Okay, single element should be there, simply means, right? But here the size of this original is 2, right? So here m into n is not equal to my original length. Okay, m into n is not equal to my original array length. Okay, in that case we have to simply return null. Okay, there are 2 elements in original. It is impossible to fit 2 elements into 1 2D array, so return an empty 2D array. Okay, so this is one condition. M into n is not equal to original dot length. Okay, original dot length. Then in that case simply return this empty array list, right? And in the other cases, see here, m into n is equal to 3. Okay, and original length is also 3, so we can construct this. Here m is 2, n is 2, m into n is 4, so original array length is also 4, so we can construct this, right? So now let's move to the coding part. Okay, so easy, right? So here first thing that we need to check here, so first check if my m into n is not equal to original array length. In that case simply return empty array list. Okay, so new int, okay, empty array, just return that. Okay, so here you can give 0 0, and after that let's take one variable, int k is equal to 0. Okay, so let's say k is pointing to this one, this index. Okay, and I'm going to create a new result array, 2D array. Okay, and the size of this one is going to be number of rows into number of columns. Now so here I have to write m is nothing but my number of rows, and n is nothing but number of columns. Okay, so now let's construct that. Now run one loop for int I is equal to 0. I is going to run for less than my rows time and increment I. Then just run j for int j is equal to 0. J is going to run for less than number of columns time and j plus plus, and we have to fill the value of my result array, right? So result I and j is equal to original. Okay, so I am picking the value from this original array, this k. Okay, this one I am picking. Okay, this index. So right now it is at 0. Okay, then after picking this I have to increment k every time. Okay, so this is what I need to do here, and in the end just return result. That's it. So easy, right? Now let's run it and see if there are any code issues. So see, all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? And the time complexity for this problem is going to be of m into n, right? So see, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.